Hi everyone, I'm Dom from Sony, and it is my great pleasure to introduce to you the Xperia 1 Mark III, Sony's technology flagship, and the Xperia 5 Mark III, its more compact counterpart. These two devices showcase the very best of Sony's photography, entertainment, and gaming technology. Both of these gorgeous flagships feature the iconic 21:9 design, now synonymous with Xperia devices. They are, as you would expect, both water-resistant and dust-proof with IP6568 certification. And to add to the durability, the Xperia 5 Mark III is housed in Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and back, whereas the Xperia 1 Mark III has the latest Gorilla Glass Victus on the front. And to add a unique depth and texture to the finish of this device, the rear glass is frosted and you are treated to a matte finish on the metal frame. When you think of Sony, it is impossible not to think of the decades of innovation in the world of photography. And the Xperia 1 Mark III and 5 Mark III truly deliver experiences in speed and beyond, thanks to the technology from Sony's camera brand Alpha powering these smartphone cameras. The cameras on these devices have been co-developed with the engineers behind the latest Alpha 9 series, best known for their industry-leading autofocus technology. Not only that, but Sony has worked with professional photographers to help tune and refine these technologies to deliver an amazing photographic experience when using new features such as real-time tracking. Building on the success of last year's real-time eye autofocus, Sony have introduced real-time tracking to the Xperia 1 Mark III and object tracking to the Xperia 5 Mark III, using the most accurate and advanced autofocus technologies from Sony Alpha cameras. By using a combination of face, eye, colour, pattern, and in the case of the Xperia 1 Mark III, distance thanks to the 3D eye time of flight sensor, any object in your scene can be tracked either manually or automatically for you to be able to capture shots you never thought possible on a smartphone before. Both these devices feature a brand new and unique 2-in-1 variable telephoto lens, which can switch from a 70mm focal length to a 105mm focal length with a very simple tap. And for the first time ever in a smartphone, this lens has been paired with dual photodiode autofocus on the sensor to deliver superior autofocus performance. And you can also enjoy improved low light performance thanks to the larger pixel pitch and wider aperture. And in addition to all of these new features, you'll still be able to enjoy perfect portraits thanks to real-time eye autofocus for humans and animals. And of course, you can still do 20 frames per second continuous burst mode with autofocus and auto exposure tracking. And the Xperia 1 Mark III and 5 Mark III make it even easier to access your manual controls and features by embedding Photography Pro within the default camera app. If you want fast access to features like the panoramic mode and the bokeh effect, which you can now use on the telephoto lens, by the way, they are now available here in basic mode. But if you want to express your artistic creativity and be able to shoot in RAW, simply tap up here to unlock the full potential of the cameras on the Xperia 1 Mark III and 5 Mark III. And with the new external monitor feature, the Xperia 1 Mark III or 5 Mark III can be the perfect companion for your professional camera, allowing you to use the larger, higher resolution screen to check for focus, compose your shots, and even live stream using the mobile data from the handset itself. And when it comes to entertainment, both the devices have taken huge leaps forward. And in the case of the Xperia 1 Mark III, you are treated to a 21:9 cinema-wide 4K HDR OLED display with an incredible 120Hz refresh rate for the first time ever in a smartphone. So you can enjoy beautifully smooth scrolling and swiping, as well as some great advantages to gaming. But we will get to that in just a moment. Of course, both the Xperia 1 Mark III and 5 Mark III benefit from standard mode. The X1 for Mobile engine brings Bravia HDR remastering technology to your everyday viewing, enriching all of your content, including streaming services, with more colour, clarity and contrast, as well as extending the dynamic range of the content to give you the HDR experience on all platforms. And of course, Creator Mode, powered by Cine Alta, brings unprecedented colour accuracy inspired by Sony's master monitors, so you can experience movies just as the director intended, and all in a 21:9 cinema ratio. But entertainment isn't just about outstanding visuals, it's also about amazing audio too. And not only did the Xperia 1 Mark III and 5 Mark III retain the all-important 3.5mm headphone jack for improved stereo separation, but now you can experience audio on the 1 Mark III up to 40% louder than the previous model through headphones and through the new full-stage stereo speakers. These flagships also bring new audio experiences with 360 spatial sound. This feature gives you the ability to upmix any music into a new immersive music experience that places you in the music, whether you're listening through headphones or the full stage stereo speakers. And the digital sound enhancement engine means that you can upscale all of your digital music, including streaming services, to near high-res audio quality, thanks to Sony's advanced audio AI algorithms. Now, let's talk about gaming. Both the Xperia 1 Mark III and the 5 Mark III benefit from a 120Hz refresh rate display, but if you dive into Game Enhancer, you'll be able to activate Sony's motion blur reduction to simulate a 240Hz refresh rate for even smoother gaming. Now, if we stay in Game Enhancer, we can explore some of the new settings and features which will help elevate your gaming experience and could even give you an edge over the competition. Now, it goes without saying that the 21:9 aspect ratio can give you a wider field of view, giving you the ability to see more of your surroundings in-game. But now you'll be able to see further into your landscape by brightening up darker areas for enhanced visibility. You'll also have a 10-band EQ to help you sculpt your own sound. This setting here was actually co-developed with the professional gaming team Scars to help you hear enemy footsteps and gunshots clearer. And speaking of clearer audio, you'll also have improved clarity for in-game chat by either using the inbuilt microphone on the handset or a gaming headset plugged in via the 3.5mm headphone jack, thanks to Sony's voice chat optimization, which will apply filters to your microphone and cut out the background noise and help your voice cut through the game audio so you can lead your team to victory. And if something incredible and unexpected happens whilst you're gaming and you didn't have the foresight to hit the record button before playing, then the Xperia 1 Mark III and 5 Mark III have got you covered with a new feature which will automatically be recording a 30-second buffer of gameplay before you even hit the record button. It will even record up to 120 frames per second so you can share super smooth gaming clips with friends, fans and followers. These new features come alongside settings and features previously found in Game Enhancer, such as heat suppression power control, giving you the ability to enjoy longer gaming sessions by drawing power from the charger instead of the battery. This prevents your Xperia from overheating whilst gaming, which can lead to better handset performance and of course better long-term battery health as well. You also have the ability to adjust your display refresh rate, touch response rate and touch tracking to suit your needs and gaming style. And in focus settings, you can tailor your gaming setup to suit your needs. If you want to hide notifications or disable certain features on the phone to make sure you're properly zeroed in on gaming, you can do that. You can even just activate competition set and you'll be optimized for even the most competitive gaming sessions. And of course you'll be able to compete at the elite level because both the Xperia 1 Mark III and 5 Mark III are equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform, as well as Wi-Fi 6 and Sony's smart connectivity feature, which will ensure you're always connected to the strongest signal. The way this works is by using AI to analyse the available Wi-Fi signals and to predict any potential issues before connecting to them. If it looks like a certain Wi-Fi signal is going to give you some connectivity problems, your Xperia will continue to use your mobile data instead, so you will always have the best possible connection. And when it comes to battery performance, both the Xperia 1 Mark III and 5 Mark III have a sizable 4,500 mAh battery and come with battery optimization technologies such as Stamina Mode, Xperia Adaptive Charging and Battery Care to give you up to 3 years of excellent battery health. Not to mention a 30-watt fast charger in the box to get you from 0 to 50% charge in just 30 minutes. And with the Xperia 1 Mark III, you can enjoy wireless charging and battery share functionality too. In short, the Xperia 1 Mark III and 5 Mark III embody features from all parts of Sony's vast catalogue of tech, Whether it be technology from their alpha cameras to ensure you always capture the perfect and unforgettable shot, Bravia technology to deliver flawless video content, Creator Mode powered by Cine Alta helping you see films through the eyes of the director, or perhaps it's audio and gaming technology refined through years of expertise and excellence to deliver truly unique experiences to everyone. These handsets represent everything amazing about Sony, and they will be available to pre-order very soon, so to order or to find out more, simply visit the Sony Mobile website.